Among the advantages of buying an electric hoverboard are its eco-friendliness and convenience. They run on battery power, so there's no need for oil or gas, and they don't pollute the environment. They're also great for urban areas with heavy traffic, as they don't use fuel. Using them also helps you reduce your carbon footprint. Buying one will make your daily commute a lot more comfortable. Plus, they can be pretty fun to ride. Top New Motorcycles has electric hoverboards with free worldwide shipping. In addition to having free shipping, you can also view the hoverboards in 3D and augmented reality in your own home anytime, day or night. Another benefit of buying an electric hoverboard is that it's an exercise machine. Riding a hoverboard will allow you to use core strength and exercise your entire body. It's easy to ride one of the electric models available, and you'll burn more than 300 calories in just an hour. You can even buy off-road hoverboards for off-road use, since they can handle slopes. The price of electric hoverboards is still much lower than the prices of a standard bicycle or a car, but as demand has increased, prices have come down significantly. In addition to being less expensive, hoverboards are also lightweight, allowing you to take them indoors. You can also take them on trips with you. Another benefit of an electric hoverboard is its increased vigilance. The use of a hoverboard also increases a person's awareness. A rider will be more aware of their surroundings and be more alert. Being on the board at such a high speed requires concentration and focus. Moreover, it is essential to maintain balance while riding at high speeds. The benefits of an electric hoverboard are many. Another benefit of an electric hoverboard is its ease of use. Unlike a traditional bicycle, an electric hoverboard can be used anywhere, and it will allow you to take a trip with no problems. With the help of an electric hoverboard, you'll be able to navigate a variety of places quickly and easily. However, you should consider the size and weight of the board before buying. The biggest advantage of an electric hoverboard is its safety. This electric scooter can reach up to 10 miles without a problem and does not require a special parking space. With a hoverboard, you can travel wherever you need to go with no hassle. The battery is also rechargeable, so you can use it on a regular basis, avoiding the need to rent or purchase a parking space. The battery also saves money on gasoline, which is a big plus for urban dwellers. The main benefit of an electric hoverboard is that it can offer you an effective workout. It can help you to build up your muscles by burning up to 300 calories in an hour of riding. Moreover, it is lightweight, which makes it easier to transport. Aside from being lightweight, hoverboards can also be used for transportation. They come in many different styles and are very beautiful. In addition to being functional, electric hoverboards have several other advantages. An electric hoverboard is convenient to use. It can cover up to 10 to 15 miles on a single charge. It can also travel at 10 miles per hour and maneuver through narrow spaces. Moreover, it can be easily transported from place to place and is highly portable. It also looks good and is very useful. It has many advantages, which make it an ideal choice for many people. So, buy an electrical hoverboard and enjoy the convenience it offers. If an electric hoverboard is on your list of things to buy, whether for yourself or for your kids, Top New Motorcycles has you covered. You can get a great price as well as free worldwide shipping for your electric hoverboard. Take a look at the hoverboard in 3D or augmented reality as well. Once you're ready to order, add it to your cart, and wait for your new toy to arrive. Shopping is fun and easy on topnewmotorcycles.com.